Can you ceramic coat PPF? Yes, and it's something that I highly recommend you do. If you know yourself and know that you will not be maintaining your vehicle on a month-to-month basis, a great way to buy yourself some time is to have a ceramic coating applied on top of the paint protection film. Although automotive protection does make taking care of your car a lot easier, it still requires some maintenance to see its full capabilities. But sometimes life happens and we forget about it. Now the cool thing is ceramic coatings offer an extra layer of protection that create a glossy, hard barrier on top of your PPF. While paint protection film alone provides a great layer of protection for physical damage, adding a layer of ceramic coating will help with the chemical damage as well. This is particularly great against acidic contaminants such as bird droppings that, if not cleaned properly, can etch into the paint. Ceramic coatings are known for their hardness, which can help extend the life of paint protection film from wearing out due to environmental factors such as harsh sunlight and pollution, which can degrade over time if not properly maintained due to pollution and sunlight. This combination not only increases the durability of your vehicle, it also makes it shine and will make washing it and cleaning it a lot easier. I'm Ben with Ceramic Pro. If you have any questions or comments, please drop them down below.